A pleasant morning to everyone. I am Maryam of grade 11, one among the contestants for School Pupil Leader of the academic year 2025 to 2026. First of all, let me say that we are very fortunate to study in this excellent school where there are ample opportunities to expand, explore and excel. My aim is to become an IAS officer and I like to read books at my free time. Let me say what I would do if I get elected as a head girl. First, I would make arrangements to keep suggestion boxes in each floor. With utmost care to students' identity and privacy, solutions will be provided in a proper way. I would act as a bridge between students and teachers, enhance learning environment, represent students' interests, and contribute to positive changes in the school. My symbol is tree, which provides shelter even to the axeman who cuts it. As a tree helps everyone around it, I would help every student to find his talent and celebrate it with Muthamil Public School. I am all ears to hear your suggestions. Let us work together.